Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to change the death penalty of your Palworld server. It is actually extremely simple to change the death penalty when using Pine hosting. But before we move on with that process, it is very important to actually turn your server offline. If you don't do that, any actual changes you make into the config of the server won't be applied. So once you log into your Pine hosting game panel, go into the console and click on the stop button. Now that our server is offline, we can make the config changes. To do that, we will need to head over to the server config. Here you will see a bunch of different settings, but we're looking for one setting specifically, death penalty. So to find out, we're gonna use a search bar at the top here. And just like that, now we have found the actual setting we want to edit. Right now it is set to all, which means that players will drop all the items and equipped gear. And Palworld in general gives only 4 options for your death penalty. None, which means that players will not lose anything when dying. Items, which means that players will only drop the items from the inventory and will exclude any other equipped items. And then items and gear, which means that players drop all items and equipped gear. What we're gonna do is we're gonna completely disable death penalty. That means we're gonna enter here in this section, none. Now that we have typed that in, we're gonna go ahead and click on the save button on the top corner here. Now our settings have been saved, and now we're finally able to start our server. So we're gonna head back over to the console here and click on the start button. And just like that, our server is now up and running with the death penalty edited to our liking. If you require any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.